Hi guys, looking at some old Christmas ornaments from Poundland. I say old, they're at least a year old because I haven't bought them this year. So they're either last year or the year before. This one, I thought I might just take it apart. It's actually falling apart, so I'll take it apart easily. Originally bought it because I just wanted the dome for doing a pulse motor inside. But it does work. Switch it on. There's a little light in it which sort of lights it up so it looks pretty in the dark. Top comes off. So say that's the bit I was really after. This bit is just simply hot glued on top. And that's the tea light, or what is effectively a tea light. Just a button cell there, on-off switch. This is probably relatively old in that most of them don't even bother with a proper on-off switch. They just bend the wires to make contact on the cheaper ones. And this was only £1. So, that was a quick tear down. Of a solar Christmas tree, not solar, got solar on the brain, on a Christmas tree tea light. And I'm doing the tear down because my plan is to do the same with that as I'm doing with that one, which is converting that to solar powered. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.